After our inspection, we'll come in the home, we'll sit down with our homeowner, we'll run through our findings of what we find in the attic and on top of the roof. And then after we're done, we'll email our homeowner a complete copy of our findings. That copy includes usually a 50 to 100 page inspection report with common issues that we find on roofs: nail pops, wear and tear, missing shingles, thermal cracking, all these things as us as the expert are looking for. All of our homeowners will get a copy, and then we also go above and beyond and we'll go ahead and mark those photos up. So most homeowners won't realize what we're looking at. So obviously we're explaining that when we're sitting down at the table, but then for their records that they can keep and file away. And again, this is no charge, completely free. We'll mark those photos up. So if they want to revisit that in a year or 2 years down the road, they have and know exactly what we're referring to in that particular photo.